to Enriquez, Raymond. Wala. Ako ni. Abunan to medalye sa ilalim. Babantang tira, connect 2 points. Medalye. Enriquez, 15 shot clock. Enriquez, jumper, no good, out of bounds. Boyagas basketball. Medalye for the inbound pass to Abunan to Ibay to medalye, dribbling the ball. Medalye. Hard work, pero wala. Nakuha ni Enriquez Raymond. It's a foul committed by Mr. Abunan again. Your first personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for team penalty. Ay, second ulit ay first team foul. Turakari, ipagita, kiside, kitira ni Enriquez, sukarak, wala na kuha ni Mr. Ibay. Pabantang tira, connecto po. Mr. Abunan niya. Tulog ko na mo ay. Plazo, dribbling the ball. Plazo, 15 seconds to shoot that ball. Plazo. Sorry, 3 seconds violation. Inbound by Ibay to Abunan. Abunan ang itagapasan. Abunan. Pass to Kailya sa ilalim. Kailya nagkalisod. Wala. Rebound by Enriquez Raymond. Enriquez yung magkasto Kari na itagapasan. Pass to Enriquez Raymond to Enriquez Tonton. 15 seconds at clock. Enriquez Tonton floater. Connect 2 points. Enriquez Tonton. Kahilya. Pass to medalye. Pass to Abunan gusto sumubok sa 3. Wala. Kuha ni Muntibon. Si Muntibon ang susubok. Wala. Enriquez to Plazo. Panaman Ibay. Plazo. Wala. Rebound to Mr. Ibay. Ibay, the titan. Pass to Mr. Muntibon. 10 minutes, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Second quarter. Medalye, turnaround, no good. Ako ni Kaari. Dito ka masaan. Basta Enriquez Raymond. Dito. Wala niya po na pernanin to si Enriquez Tonton. Connect po si Enriquez Tonton. Ibahay, intercepted by Enriquez Raymond. Pass to Palasol to Enriquez. Lamasat. Wala. To Palasol. It's a foul committed by Mr. Ibahay. You get your first personal foul. Second for the team foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Second quarter. First throw, 100. So good. Jumpers waiting for the last throw. No good pa rin. Rebound by Janga Bularep. Bola sa Wayagas. 3 minutes, second quarter. Abunan, dribbling the ball. Abunan, nabitaw ng bola. Intercepted by Rakot ni Kahilya, block. Yes, connect to points, Mr. Kahilya. Plazo, dribbling the ball. Plazo, nakalusot. No good. Kumali Plazo again. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Wayagas basketball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Ibahay ito medalye. Medalye kita bawang bola. Medalye ito Utibon, break. Utibon, lihat, no good. Nakuha ni Mr. Enriquez. Gipasa ka Plazo fake, Plazo jumper. Connect 2 points. Plato. 7 minutes, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Second quarter. Ibahay to Medalye. 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 Lumusot. Connect 2 points. Mr. Medalye. 7 remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Second quarter. Plazo dribbling the ball. Plazo. 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 Hindi nagkapasan. Plazo. Gusto sumubok sa 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Kahilya rebound. Kahilya to Montibuan. Montibuan. Montibuan ang susubok. Tumira Andres. 3 points. Mr. Montibuan. Pang-apat mo na yan. 7 remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds. Enriquez to Kaare jumper. No good. Rebound by Mr. Kahilya. Kahilya to Medalye. Medalye to. Reserve ka na. Team Tabraa. Habunan. Wala. Nakuha ni Plazo. Plazo nabitawan ng bola. Mr. Plazo. Pass to Enriquez. Yes, correct. 2 points, Mr. Enriquez. Kahilya for the end man. Pass to Medalye. Time remaining 50 seconds. Second quarter. Medalye. 10 seconds at clock. Medalye. Time out. Team Dabra. Time out. Team Dabra.
Minti-ulti ba? Basta may consigling niya ba? Ay, sakit ko na. Managan yung stock niya. Sama tayo naka-hyper siya ba?
A big shout out to Mr. Daniel Palapar Canario. Salamat sa iyong presensya, sir. Hello, bro. May bantayan. Time for the time out. Tabraa basketball. Time remaining 41 seconds. Second quarter. Enriquez, nakita gumagit. It's a traveling violation committed by Enriquez. Kaya agas basketball. Kahilya to Habunan. 25 seconds remaining, second quarter. 13 seconds to shoot that ball. 10 seconds to shoot that ball. Montibuan, tumira ng Andres! Wasa ka, Andres! Pang-lima mo na yan! Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second period. Score 33 against 14.